Hey, what's up? In this video, I will guide you how to set up C language environment on your Mac machine before you can learn C language. Before we can write and run our C program, we need to install C language compiler and code editor. The compiler is used to compile our code into runnable file so we can run it. The code editor, of course, it is used to write our code. I will use clang as my compiler and Visual Studio Code as code editor. Of course, you can choose other similar tools to replace them. First, we check whether clang is installed or not by using clang -- version command in terminal. The clang is haven't installed. Then the installer tool will be shown. But sometimes it will show errors, so we need to download the file manually from Apple developer website. So we open the Apple developer website and click on develop. Then click the download icon. You may require to log in Apple developer account. Then click more and we search for command line tools. You may select any version you like to install. Double click to open the file, then open PKG file inside it. Then follow the step to install. You may require to enter your Mac system password to install it. Now we check whether clang is installed properly with clang -- version. If yours shows something like this, then means it is installed successfully. Otherwise, you may redo the step just now. Now, we will install Visual Studio Code. We will download the file from official website. We select the Mac version to download. Then we drag the file into application folder in Finder. Then we have done to install it. Now we are going to set up Visual Studio Code for C programming. First, we are going to install extension for C language programming. You can choose any theme you like. We will set up C programming environment by ourselves, so close this window. Now we create a folder to keep our code. Then we create C language file and write our first C program. Now we write a simple program that shows hello world. Then we try to run the file. For the debug configuration, we select the one with clang. Now you can see the hello world is displayed in the debug console. You can see the tux.json file is generated after we run the code. Now we click on setting icon and select the debug configuration. Same as just now, we select the one with clang. Then the launch.json file will be generated and opened. We change the external console to true. Then we open tux.json file. Now we create a new tux and you can copy the code from the description. We save the tux.json file, then we're going to run the tux. To run the tux, we select the terminal, run tux, and select the open terminal. We click OK so Visual Studio can run the script on terminal. So now we run the simple program we write just now, then now it will show on terminal. Why we need to run on external terminal? Because we cannot input in debug console. So now let us modify the program to accept the input from the keyboard. Yeah, now we can input with our keyboard to the program. Now we have finished the setup for C programming on Mac. Thank you for watching.